Hello, today I'm doing an Amazon review on this clamp on desk organizer. Okay, so what you're seeing is a basket and a pegboard. Okay, now the company does sell these separate, so if you don't want both pieces, say you just would like to have the basket, you can purchase this separately. I think it's more feasible to get them together, but whatever. Now, these are metal. They are a lot bigger than what I thought they were going to be, but that's good because that just means more areas to organize. So this one is blue. They also come in pink or white. Now, these are right at 12 inches. And then, let's see, about 8 inches tall. Now, this goes on the side of your desk. It has these two clamps, and they are saying that as long as your desk is between 0.4 inches and 2 inches, this will work. If it's anything more than 2 inches, it's probably not going to work. But it does have these rubber guards on here, so when you're clamping this onto your desk, it's not going to scratch. They also have the protective grip things on the inside of the basket, so if you are putting your tablet in here, your laptop, and you're just setting it in here, it will keep from scratching. All right, also you're gonna get 2 of these metal what I don't really know what you would call these, but they're metal, they're pegs, and they have the rubber on them so that, you know, they don't scratch anything. So you're going to get 2 of those. Of course, you get your instructions. You're also going to get this cup holder, or not a cup holder, but a pen holder. You can put your sticky notes in there. You can put your pens in there. It does have a large magnet on the back, and it just sits right on the pegboard. It also comes with these screws. It's going to come with 5 of these littler pegs. Okay. And then you're going to have 5 of the longer pegs. And now these are plastic. This is your pegboard. And it is right at 12 inches wide. And we're going to say about 14 inches tall. Alright, so again, you can get these separate. If you purchase the pegboard separate, you do have these little holes, which I am going to presume that you screw into your desk with these, okay? Because I cannot figure out where these go if you have both sets. So I think they're just in there in case you want this separated from that. So what you're going to do is you're going to put this just like this to where, what am I doing? All right. So this is going to sit just like this. I know y'all can tell. And then you're going to clamp this. Now, I'm going to pause, and I'm going to do this on the side of my desk, and I will show you when I get done. Okay, so this is what it's going to look like sitting on the side of your desk. You can see. And I went ahead and I stuck this stuff on here. But this is like a really good magnet. I mean, really good. So if you put something in there a little heavy, it's not going to go anywhere. And you've got your pegs on here. Again, you could hang like your headphones off this if you're a gamer. You know, you can do whatever you want to with this. So I think this is really nice. It gets the clutter off of your desk, and you know, you can keep everything right here together. So yeah, I like it, and I will put the link in my description box so that y'all can go check this out for yourself. And again, just know that you can purchase this in pink or white if you don't like the blue. All right, thanks for watching.